Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel HBO Max subscription, full guide step by step clearly. To cancel your HBO Max subscription, first, open your web browser. Visit the HBO Max website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, locate your profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Account from the options. In the account settings, find the subscription section. Click on Manage Subscription. You will see your subscription details. Look for the option to cancel your subscription. Click on the cancellation link. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. You may be asked to provide a reason for canceling. After providing any necessary information, confirm your cancellation. You should receive a confirmation email regarding your cancellation. Remember to check for any cancellation deadlines to avoid further charges. Open the relevant app or website for the third-party provider. Log in to your account there. Find the subscription management section. Follow the steps to cancel your HBO Max subscription. After cancellation, you can still enjoy HBO Max until the end of your billing cycle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.